Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients for a smooth gravy pasta. 250 g dry pasta, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 onion finely chopped, and 2 cloves garlic minced. Measure 2 tablespoons flour for the roux and set aside 200 ml stock plus 100 ml cream for richness. Boil salted water. Cook pasta 9 to 11 minutes until al dente, and reserve 1/2 cup pasta water before draining. Grate 30 g Parmesan and prepare 1 tsp dried oregano, salt, and black. Heat a wide skillet and melt 2 tablespoons butter over medium heat. Sauté the chopped onion and minced garlic until translucent, about 4 to 5 minutes. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons flour and whisk constantly to create a light roux, then slowly pour in 200 ml stock while whisking to eliminate lumps. Allow the gravy to simmer 5 to 7 minutes to thicken, then stir in 100 ml cream for silkiness. If the sauce is too thick, loosen it with up to 1/2 cup reserved pasta water and season to taste. Finish by adding drained pasta directly into the simmering gravy and toss to coat evenly. Fold in 30 g grated Parmesan and 1 tsp dried oregano for herb depth. For variations, add 150 g cooked chicken, sautéed mushrooms, or roasted vegetables for extra protein and texture, stirring them in until warmed through. Reheat leftovers gently on low to avoid breaking the sauce, adjust salt and black pepper to taste, and serve immediately with extra Parmesan and a pinch of chili flakes for brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.